roomies, it's the Maverick and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see by the title, we have the Pine Green Air Foamposite Pros. Alright, before we get into the review, you know I gotta shout out some shoes. We have the Gamma 11s here. So make sure y'all watch this video. We also have the Bugs Bunny 8 video out, Shadow 10 video. We have so many videos. We have the Caitlin Clark Kobe video out. So make sure y'all keep running those numbers up. We're still on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all keep subscribing. Turn on that notification bell so y'all know when we post. And again, thank y'all for always watching the channel and supporting the videos. I do see that some of y'all are still following me on Instagram. So just give me some time to follow y'all back. And yeah, appreciate the support. All right, let's get into the review. All right, this is the box that it comes in. Black Nike box. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag real quick. Pine, green, and black. This is how they look. Definitely another iconic shoe that we're reviewing today. We've been on a good little roll. These dropped back in 2011 and now they're back in 2025. This is the first time that it's retroing, it's coming back. So I'm sure the Foamposite lovers are very excited about this. But let's get into the details. So as you can see, we have this Foamposite shell here. I'm not sure if y'all can really see that color, but it's definitely like a deep pine green. It's a metallic pine green. So it kind of has some shine to it, but it's also kind of like matte as well. We have the Nike swoosh here. This is the back. It says Foamposite and then another swoosh in green. This is what the bottom looks like. A big Nike swoosh in that pine green color. We have this on the tongue. We have air on the tongue. Black laces, no lace swaps. It comes stuffed with this, the cardboard stuffer. It also has a Nike a swoosh in here, and then it says Air. Again, I'm gonna show y'all the other shoe. These dropped when like Foamposites was at kind of like a peak, like very popular at that time. I know the eggplant, the copper, I know some of those dropped around the same time as these. But yeah, I'm not the biggest Foamposite fan, but I do like these. I like the matte look to them, and also it kind of has like a shiny finish. These are released in December 19th. The retail is about $240. So I'm kind of interested to see if these sell out, like who's gonna buy them, because the Gammas drop on the 13th. The Bugs Bunny 8s drop as well. So these are actually dropping the same day as the Bugs Bunny 8s, which I think is pretty counterproductive. Just like the Black Cat 4s dropped on the same day as the Pearl Foamposites. I think that's kind of counterproductive because you're having people choose which one they want. And nobody have the money like that to be spending $240 on these and then $220 on those as well. Like that's a lot of money. Not to mention if you have kids, the sneakerheads as well. So yeah, I think that's counterproductive. I see people probably gravitating towards the Bugs Bunny 8s over these, in my opinion. I think the 8s It's a bit more significant, and I like the way the 8s look better. And Foamposites are basically like they're dead. They're finished. They're done. They're on sale. Like they're not selling how they used to. So again, so this is the last Foamposite to drop for 2025. They dropped a lot of good Foamposites this year. A notable one is the Galaxies. Those didn't really flop in, I guess, like retail, but in like resale value, it's not really valuable. But again, I don't know. I don't think Foamposites should be dropped right now. I don't think people worried about that. There's so many like retros and Jordans coming out that people are more focused on. Even like the Brick by Bricks dropped this year. Like so many good shoes dropped this year. Nobody's worried about Foamposites. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. Are y'all copping Bugs Bunny 8s? Are y'all copping the Pine Green Foamposites? Or are y'all just gonna cop Gammas? Like, let me know what y'all gonna do. All right, y'all. So be on the lookout for the Bugs Bunny 8 video. We have a comparison video and a review video. Be on the lookout for these Gamma 11 video. And we have the Krampus XBs video. We have so many videos that we shot. We did do the Wolf Gray video. We're just kind of waiting to post that. We might post it soon. I know I've seen a lot of y'all in the comments say y'all want the review now. If I post the review, y'all better go and watch it. That's all I'm gonna say. But this pretty much wraps up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank y'all for watching.
Beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting